Yes. Jerron Watson.
Judge, he's going to go into the waiting room. He's finished talking with Mr. Buffman.
No, he's on today. No, I brought him out here. He's
Oh, okay. All right.
All right. Did he log off? What happened to him? There he is. Mr. Watson? You hear us, Mr. Watson?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Jerron Watson. This is ticket number P1209782. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number P13218101, count open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number U530841119, 1 count of loitering. Ticket number P1252534, 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1325089, 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. And ticket number 731686. This is 1 count of marijuana possession, cultivate, deliver more than twice the legal limit. Appearances for the record, starting with APA Code, since you're on today.
May it please the court, Paul Leclerc on behalf of the people, P31888.
All right, and Attorney Martell, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, thank you, Judge. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this most honorable court, Edward Martell, P85051 of the Perkins Law Group, representing Mr. Watson on all matters. Mr. Watson, please state your name for the record.
Jerron Watson.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrants that are out there. How would you like me to proceed, counsel?
Judge, Mr. Watts here with retained counsel. Certainly we have ostensible defenses. And most importantly, he's here voluntarily on his own behalf. I would ask this honorable court to set aside all of the bench warrants and set these matters for a pretrial date.
All right. Being that he has showed up today in court, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to set aside the bench warrants. I'm going to enter pleas of not guilty on every single matter that we have before this court today. Sir, I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the day of January 17th. I know that's a little ways out, Attorney Martell, but I'm booked for the rest of the year. So January 17th, 2023, okay? 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Judge. And I will work to resolve these matters even short about pretrial.
Yeah, thank you so much. And we do have an offer from the state as well. So when you figure out the city and the state, we can get you all that information, okay? So that way we can try and work it out.
Thank you, Judge. Pleasure as always.
You're welcome. Same here. You have a great day. If there's nothing further, Mr. Watson, I'll see you back on January 17th, 8:30 a.m. in the same courtroom via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day. Fine set at $0 personal. I will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Watson. Thank you, Attorney Cole. You can stay. I'm going to get her to send you over the ticket and Miss Mary the yes.
At your convenience, since I have till January.
Okay, all right. I appreciate it.
If you need me on any other matters, for some reason it's very quiet. Can you
I
have
know.
Mr. Edwards or Mr. Boffman just email me and I'll zoom right in.
I sure will, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Murad,
Yes,
I think your client is here, right?
yes, he is. He's in the breakout room.
Ali Wahab?
Hello.
Hello. All right. Now call, no. Correct. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Ali Jafar Wahab. This is ticket number SP 13857211. This is 1 count speeding 16 to 20 miles over coastal speed. Today is the day we time set for a formal hearing in this matter. May I have your appearances for the record, please?
course. Ride Murad P83665 on behalf of Mr. Ali Wahab. Mr. Wahab, please state your full name for the record.
Ali Jafar Wahab.
And this is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Move for dismissal for complainant or officer's failure to appear.
The time is now 9:56 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. Having no officer appeared in this matter, court is going to grant your request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you are all set, but slow down, please.
Sure, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye,
Thank you, Your
attorney.
Honor.
See you
Great
later.
to see you.
You're welcome. Great to see you too. Attorney Baughman, I'm gonna start doing your matters.
Ready, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah, I do.
I mean, not, I didn't pay him.
Amber Williams,
Yes.
now calling the matter of the people versus. Sorry.
He just got scared that
Now calling the matter of the people versus Amber Williams. This is the ticket 808-479. This is one count of operating with a high blood alcohol content. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record, please.
Amber Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Your Honor, our plea at this point is going to be not guilty for the purpose of arraignment, and we would ask the matter be set for a pretrial. Please and thank you.
All right, at this time, the court's going to set aside the arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. You did say pretrial, is that correct?
Please and thank you. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we had a bench trial scheduled at the beginning of October. January 17th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. Ma'am, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. However, since you did not show up for a bench trial at one point in time, if you don't show up for your pretrial in January, I may have to put in a monetary amount. So you gotta make sure you show up for this matter. It's very important, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further. Y'all say, you okay, Ms. Williams?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Okay, all right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you on January 17th, 2023 for your pretrial at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Delisa Weidman. Delisa Weidman. Amber Williams. Oh, we already did her, ma'am. You can sign off, ma'am. Is Delisa Weidman?
yes,
Okay, turn on your camera for me. Now calling the matter of the people versus Delisa Crystal Ryman. This is ticket number 296797. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 296798. One count, blockading, moving lane of traffic. Count 2, no registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record, please.
Alicia Whiteman.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant presents today with valid registration and insurance. They're current and valid. Actually, I paid a portion of the blockading traffic citation. I believe she submitted a $40 payment on that. We would ask that the court accept the plea from the defendant here today to blockading and dismiss count the other two counts, the insurance and registration, please.
Attorney Bachman, I don't know if I need to take a plea if she already started playing on block, if she already started paying on the ticket. She just needs to continue to pay on that ticket.
Okay. So I have advised Ms. Weidman that the balance can be remitted to the court. I don't know what that amount is. I've forgotten at this point.
If it's 40, if she paid $40, it's 175 is the ticket.
Exactly, Your Honor. Thank you.
35. So you owe 135, Ms. Wyman. Having been an officer of the court, seen the documents for her insurance and registration, the court's gonna dismiss those two counts without prejudice. Ma'am, you just gotta pay on the blockading ticket, okay?
Okay.
$135 is left on that ticket. You have a great day, okay, ma'am?
Okay, you too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Kaylin Wheeler?
Yes.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now, ma'am, I'm in court. I'm up. I'm ready to go. You gotta do the same. It looks like you may not feel the greatest, but I need you to sit up at least for this hearing, okay?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Kaylin Wheeler. This is ticket P1271623. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record, please.
Kaylin Wheeler.
Thank you. Your Honor, we're asking the court accept today a not guilty plea from the defendant, and we need a pretrial judge. I'm certain she's going to come back in compliance. If we could just give her till mid-December.
All right, my pretrial days are in January, so I'll give her a little extra time, okay?
That will work for us. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to set this matter for a pretrial on January 17th, 2023. That's going to be at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay, Ms. Wheeler? Get in compliance so you can get this a different look at this ticket, okay?
Okay, you said January 17th at 8:30.
That's right, via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that day, okay? Same number and everything, okay?
Okay, same courtroom and all.
Same courtroom and all, okay?
Okay,
All right, ma'am, I'll see you back that day. You have a good rest of your day, okay?
thank you, you too.
I will, thank you. Keisha Wade, please unmute yourself. Turn on your camera. Ms. Wade?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Keisha Wade. This is ticket number P1261340. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, please state your full name for the record.
Keisha Wade.
Good morning, Ms. Wade. Your Honor, the defendant is here for show cause. She inadvertently missed the last action date. We're asking you to accept a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes and ask to set the matter for pre-trial. Ms. Wade is also going to be compliant as of that next action date.
At this time, the court is going to set aside, well, the show cause, I don't have to set aside, but I'll enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. Ma'am, the pretrial date is going to be January 17th, 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. It is going to be via Zoom. So the same way you came in today, come on in that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set for today, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
I will, thank you. Nakia Walker. Nakia Walker.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nakia Walker. This is U ticket 6002821. This is one count disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And please support Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Nakia Walker.
And good morning. Your Honor, as far as review, the defendant was asked to return today having completed some community service. She needs to be redirected as to how to best complete that. We're asking if the court would respectfully set this matter for another review date, giving the defendant the time to do that. She's also supposed to write a letter to the victim. So she just needs to be redirected and given some more time to complete these two tasks. So we're asking for that respectfully, please, and thank you.
Ms. Walker.
Yes.
You have been given a gift of HIDA. You know what HIDA is? It's Home Pupil Training Act. That means you do these two things. It's like this matter didn't even happen. But you have to complete these tasks in order for me to dismiss this matter. You have to do what I asked you to do, okay?
Yes.
All right. So here's the phone number for calling to get some community service set up. You ready to take down the number?
Yes.
313 965 3414.
Okay.
Okay, you have to call them, set up the community service. How much more time do you need? It was 40 hours.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I said, how much more time do you need to complete these 40 hours of community service?
I would say like 3 months.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna have you come back. February 1st, okay, I'm gonna have you come back. I need all this stuff completed by then, February 1st, 2023, for your review. Yes. Oh, she's gone. There she goes.
Okay, she just came back.
Ms. Walker?
Yes.
February 1st, 2023 is gonna be your review at 8:45 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you then, all right?
Yes.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ricky Wilson?
Hello?
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 All right. Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Ricky Wilson. This is ticket P1322173. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1344606. 021. This is one count drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that ticket is expired plates. And count 3 of that ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. Please state your full name, Mr. Wilson.
Ricky Larnell Wilson II.
Thank you and good morning, sir. Your Honor, the defendant is here for a pretrial. We had a conversation and he's 2/3 of the way with respect to compliance. He does have valid registration. He has a paper license, but he will complete what his requirements are for the full requirements for his license soon by the time of his next action date, which is what we're asking for, please. And he'll also have some insurance on that date. So we expect him to come back in compliance. We'd like a pretrial, please, and thank you.
Now, Attorney Baldwin, you don't know this because you can't see the back of my ticket.
Okay.
But he was here on April 29th and he needed an adjournment for a pretrial, so we brought him back on August the 31st.
Mm-hmm.
And then on that next time, he said he needed one more adjournment. So that on August 31st, I said, don't come back until October the 31st.
Well, quite frankly, he had insurance that expired October 29th, Your Honor. So he's not current and valid today. He said he couldn't afford it, and we talked about it as a priority. He knows that that's going to be something that he's going to have to, use the expression, rob Peter to pay Paul, but that's important. Otherwise, he's exposing himself further. I think he's agreed he could have insurance by the end of the day if he had the means to do it, Your Honor, but he's going to come back because he does have a valid license today, Your Honor. You can run that. He also has valid registration to that motor vehicle. He just hasn't been able to afford the insurance, and it didn't expire until 2 days ago, and that's a matter of fact, Your Honor. So if he had court last week, he would have been entitled to dismissal for compliance. But because it is 2 days and that is not a valid insurance or a current insurance policy, we just need a little more time, please. Mm-hmm.
How long do you need to be in compliance, sir?
Ma'am,
I said, how long do you need to be in compliance?
well, I could try within 2 weeks.
Your Honor, would you give him 30 days just to make it, give him,
I'm trying to see what my 30 days looks like.
thank you.
Okay, yes, no. All right, November 30th, okay? November 30th, 2022, come back with that insurance, okay?
Okay.
And you gotta, whoever the house counsel is, you're gonna have to show them everything. So I'm gonna do a final pre-trial on November 30th, 2022, 8:30 a.m., sir. That's it, Mr. Wilson. If not,
Okay,
you're gonna
thank
have to just take one for the insurance, okay?
Okay.
All right, that
Thank
concludes
you.
this hearing. Have a good day, Mr. Wilson. You're welcome.
Right. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Bye. Mr. Andrew White? Press *6 on your phone.
Okay, I put.
All right. Now calling the
Okay.
matter of People versus Andrew White. This is ticket 3762555. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no operator's license in possession. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
My name is Andrew White.
Thank you and good morning, Mr. White. The purpose
Good morning.
for today's hearing is arraignment. We would ask the court to accept a not guilty plea and set the matter for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please.
Sir, if you would have a waiver trial, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a
Okay.
chance to talk to Attorney Balkman about your case and about your rights?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that one, Your Honor.
Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Balkman about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date of January 27th. That's next year, 2023. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. Mr. White, I need you to try and get on Zoom where I can see you. So between now
Okay.
and then, you need to get some help to figure out how you can get on the app, okay? Or find a computer or something like that, okay, sir?
Okay, I sure will.
All right, want to set your bond at $0 personal. Also, Mr. White, just for your knowledge, you have some cases out there that are in disposition. You need to work on paying those, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you on January 27th at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You have a good day too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir. You said you spoke to everybody in the breakout rooms, right, Attorney Balkman?
If there's anybody left in the breakout rooms, those would probably be compliance cases where I just hadn't had received an offer. I understand Mr. Gillis is terribly busy today.
I'm gonna bring
And,
him out. Good, I'm gonna be my officer of the court, okay?
Okay. But I did send those to the prosecutor by way of Dante Goss.
All right. All right, till I call your matter, please keep yourself on mute. All right, Jessica White?
Yep.
Now calling, you can unmute yourself, Ms. White.
Oh.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jessica Ann White. This is ticket P 1335860. One count expired plate. Ticket P 1336029. One count driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Please announce your name to the court, ma'am.
My name is Jessica White.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Judge, the defendant is here for pretrial. She has sent to my attention valid and current copies of her registration, insurance, and driver's license, all of them, of course, in her name. I have reviewed those, found them to be valid and current. I'm attesting to them being valid and current to this court, and also attesting to the fact that I have sent those to Dante Goss Corporation Counsel and know that as a matter of policy, that they would not oppose my motion here to dismiss the instant cases without prejudice for those reasons. Thank you.
Thank you. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice based on you having seen the documents. Ms. White, make sure to keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye. Thanks. You too.
Bye. Kiana Young?
I'm here.
Okay. All right, Ms. Young. Get to a place where you can be quiet for a moment. All right.
I'm sorry. I'm at work in the school.
I know. I understand.
I'm gonna go into the cafeteria. There's no kids in here yet. I'm sorry. Okay. Is this fine?
It's fine. That's perfect. Right now, it won't take us long. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kiana Young. This is ticket P 1312543. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, driver's license expired. Also calling ticket number P 1064956. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Did she already plead it? You know what? Count 1. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please state your full name, ma'am.
Kiana Young.
Thank you.
How is proceeding, counsel?
Judge, we want to plead on the expired plates
Good morning.
Right. So hold on, Ms. Williams, I'm in the middle of court right now. You can't sign on just starting to talk. I have court and you're not properly dressed. So I'm gonna put you into the waiting room so you can get yourself together for court because I can see you, okay? All right.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So I heard that you're gonna take a plea. Just know that the ticket I called P10649556, that count one is in warrant status. She already took a plea on it. She just owes quite a bit in cost and fines on that ticket, okay?
So how,
Yes,
can
Your
I have
Honor.
a, I have a,
Yes, what's your question?
how would
Ms.
I,
Young?
how would I go about paying that one?
You can go online and pay it after we finish the hearing today, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, so how's she moving forward today? She's gonna take a plea on the expired plates, is that right?
That's correct, Your Honor. And then as for the matter for which she owes money today, we would ask that the court do what it could in the interest of justice to streamline the fines and costs owed to something that would be, I think my wife would say, normatively valid, which would be something that we had find her today would be something similar to what fines and costs would be today.
All right. Ma'am, I'm gonna read from the ticket to establish a factual basis, okay?
Okay.
So on the date of April 1st, 2022, in the area of Mount Elliott and East Burner in the city of Detroit, Ms. Young was driving a Ford vehicle that had expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. We would stipulate the matters being dismissed as to probable cause. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to expired plates. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, that fine is $145. It's a mandatory fine that I have to give you as a civil infraction. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time?
No.
Okay, how much time do you need?
Can I get a month? I work in a school, so it's kind of tough at this
Okay.
time.
So that's gonna be November 30th, 2022, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All
Thank you.
Ms. Young, on the other ticket, we did take off the late cost and fees, but since you hadn't paid it, you still owe 285 on that ticket. That one, you can just take your time paying, okay?
Okay, and then with the ticket that you gave me to November 30th, can I possibly like pay this, like when I get paid tomorrow, pay half? Okay.
Absolutely, okay? Just go online,
Okay.
pay half, or you can come down here, pay half, and then pay the rest when you can, okay, Ms. Young? I know, and if you need a little extra time, call the court. I'll give you a little extra time too, okay? I'll work with you on it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Good luck to you. You have a great day, okay?
You too.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Warren? Bye-bye, have a good day. Ms. Warren, you can unmute yourself for me. Thank you for your patience.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mariah Audrey Warren. This is ticket number P12875528. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket P1287530. Count 1, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please state your name, ma'am.
Mariah Warren.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is here for arraignment, so we'll waive a formal reading and stand mute, and then indicate for the record that I have received from Ms. Warren this morning a text message, which includes some pictures of a Michigan license registration, which expires in December 26th of 2022 to a 2012 Ford station wagon, as well as a State Farm insurance card for the same vehicle that is current and valid until December 25th of 2022. In fact, she has sent me her driver's license, which was issued October 5th of this year, Your Honor. So she just received that, finding that those documents to be current and valid, attesting to them here as an officer of the court. Would you consider dismissing these matters without prejudice?
You did say you saw her license as well, too. Am I correct?
Yes. Oh, yes. She just got.
All right, as being the officer of the court, having seen all the valid documentation for today, the court will grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, congratulations on getting your license. Keep that license valid, up to date, all the way, okay?
All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Also keep those other documents up to date too. I know it can be a struggle sometimes, but you gotta do it if you want to drive, okay?
Absolutely. I will.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. If there's nothing, you're all set. Thank you for your patience this morning.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Now, Attorney Baldwin, this young lady signed in. She's scheduled at 8:35. I gotta go run and do another docket real quick, and I'll come back if y'all ready on her. When
Okay.
we bring her out.
Is she in the breakout room?
She didn't check in.
All right, so I'm bringing her in right now so we can put her into a breakout room.
Okay.
Ms. Williams? Ms. Williams, we need to put you into a breakout room so you can talk to Attorney Goffman. I hope you've clothed yourself for court, because that's what you were supposed to be doing in the breakout room. Join breakout room number 1. Go 3:45.
I'm chatting you now, ma'am.
You finished speaking with Mr. Ball? I'm sorry, I just came back to the.
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay, hold on, Attorney Boston. She has. Hold on, she has other cases, okay?
Understood.
Mr. Bosman, how do you go from breakout room to breakout room without coming back into the courtroom?
So I don't know. I have an ability to go from breakout room 1 all through breakout room 30.
Without coming back?
Yeah, if I just press breakout rooms, I don't actually leave the room. I go from, I don't have to come back here. I can just press breakout rooms. There's an icon that says breakout rooms. It's got the 4 white squares at the bottom of the screen. And when I press it, it gives me the ability to do that.
Now, when I leave the room, the only option I have is to leave breakout room and it brings me back to the courtroom.
Right. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not co-host or anything. I can't see the names of the people in the breakout room. I just have to see the number and the blue box to join, but
I forgot to make a post.
oh, not a problem.
Yeah, if that ever happens, again, just bring it to my attention. I can, because it's
Okay.
for you to know, probably with the names. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. She's so awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Coach Taylor.
No problem. All right, we're gonna bring out Miss Williams now so we can get her a date. Miss Williams,
Yes.
now calling the matter of People versus Deanna Williams. This is ticket P 1331379. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, expired plates. Ticket P 1331383. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P 1333772. No insurance misdemeanor. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket P 1333796. Insufficient or defective lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
My name is Deanna Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. We will waive any more formal reading of the information. Stand mute, Your Honor. We ask for a pretrial.
All right, man. I'm gonna bring you back on January 17th, 2023, okay? At 8:30 a.m. That should give you plenty of time. January 17th, 2023, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a good day, okay, Ms. Williams? I'll see you then.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Attorney Bachman. I appreciate
you
it.
all.
I gotta go to dinner.
Have a great day, everybody. See you next time. Judge is so busy.